Looking for an exciting new product to attract your customers? We bet you are. And at Daymak, we're so excited to introduce to you a new product in our lineup, the EVinabox series, which has been designed for retailers of all sizes, large and small. When it comes to light electric vehicles, there is such a thing as love at first sight. And that's why we've designed all of our packaging and promotional materials to be beautiful, eye-catching, and aesthetic. They look wonderful in showrooms, and the way they look in our warehouse is the way they'll look when they come delivered to your store, and the way they'll look when they're delivered right to the door of your customers, who will never have to deal with unsightly, awkward industrial boxes again. Our languages are English and French. We can translate our packaging and promotional materials into any localized language. Our EVinabox series is exactly what it sounds like. Light electric vehicles that come ready to ride right out of the box and can be snapped together in minutes with no need for additional professional assembly. There are 4 products in our lineup: our Ebikeinabox, our Mobilityinabox, our Escooterinabox, and our Escooterinabox Deluxe. These make wonderful gifts as they provide socially distant and eco-friendly forms of transportation. They have wide profit margins and come with the additional benefit of being virtually hassle-free for both you and your customer. We've designed our EVinabox series to be geared towards those who are new to light electric vehicles or those shopping within a modest budget. Because they snap together so easily, you're offering your customer an additional safety layer, which is socially distant assembly. You're offering your customer a product they can assemble by themselves without any additional professional support that is ready to ride in minutes. We also make sure that our shipping and receiving and delivery is a breeze with our drop shipping option, which means that even though it's coming from our warehouse, it can be delivered to any localized address, like your customer's address, with your shipping label. Essentially, even though it's coming from our warehouse, it will look like it's coming from your store. Our EVinabox lineup is wonderful for a large target demographic. It's good for ages 9 through 90. It's a great way to promote a healthy, active lifestyle in the young and to provide safe and eco-friendly forms of transportation for anyone of any age range. It also has the additional benefit of being clean, eco-friendly, and socially distant. Interested? Good, because we're selling out fast. If you'd like to find out more, you can visit us on the web at Ebikeinabox.com. And if you'd like to become a distributor, you can click on the distribution page and fill out the form, and one of our team will be in touch with you. We look forward to hearing from you. Daymak, spark your curiosity.